clothing declutter, and also switch out my clothes for the new season. So I'm going to switch out all my winter, fall stuff for my spring and summer things because it's finally starting to warm up. I did go through my dress pants, and I am getting rid of 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting rid of 4 dress pants. I'm gonna make a get rid of pile. Really casual tops, but they're very long, and like, so you can wear them with leggings, but that's really the only purpose for them. So I think I'm gonna get rid of most of these. I don't think that I'm going to be wearing these all the time. I've got 2 black, a gray, a blue, so I'm gonna get rid of these. There's 4 tops there. I have more really casual tops here. Again, all just really basic shirts that are just too long. So I've got 4, I've got 3 more black shirts that I'm gonna get rid of. I've got another gray and a maroon. I have this one, which is a purple, same kind of shirt. I'm getting rid of that. This is crazy, like that's like literally all I used to wear, was like those longer just plain t-shirts. But I just don't see myself reaching for them that much. I might try and do, like, this is what I'm talking about, like a really simple t-shirt. Yeah, this is wrinkly, but I might try and do some DIYs with these and try and repurpose some of them, but yeah. And then this one, I actually love this style, and I like the color. It's like a mock neck, sleeveless mock neck, and it goes longer and it's got the slits on the side. I love that, but this color, like for some reason, it has like crease stains in it, like a darker color in the crease spots. So, and they show up when I wear it. So I think I'm gonna get rid of that, but I am going to keep, where is it? This one, which is the same thing, but in navy. I'm gonna get rid of this big poncho. I just never wear it. Getting rid of a skirt. I'm getting rid of this gray sweater. I'm gonna get rid of this beige blazer. It just doesn't fit me right. It just kind of fits a little funny. And then I think I'm gonna get rid of this. This is a navy sweater. It's got a really big turtleneck, and obviously, you know, you would fold it over, but every time I wear this, the turtleneck thing just looks so weird on me. I don't know, no matter what I do. So I think I'm gonna have to let it go, because every time I wear it, I'm fussing with it. Alright, I've got this here. This has got shorter sleeves, and I think this is something I can just throw right on over top of like a cami or something, so I am going to leave it in here. And yeah, the zipper is broken, and I have been hanging on to it, and I need to just let it go. I am so on the fence about, I think I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep this sweater. I already went through my purses, so I'm going to leave those alone. I don't think I need to go through my shoes at all. I think those are just fine. So yeah, that is everything. That's literally everything right now. So I did want to show you the get rid of pile just from like my winter stuff that I ended up getting rid of. So I've got a stack here, and then this pile mound here. There are these 2 bins in my closet that I forgot to show you. This is full of winter scarves. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep all these. Hold on, let's just quickly go through these. This one I'm questioning about. I used to love this. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I think it's time. I'm gonna get rid of it. I have this for a really, really long time. And then I think I'm gonna get rid of, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. This one I'm gonna get rid of, and then this one over here I'm gonna keep. Okay, and then over here I wanted to show you real quick. Here are slippers, hats, gloves, stuff like that. I'm not gonna go into it, but all of this is gonna be put away as well. I'm pretty sure I'm keeping all of these. If there's something I get rid of, I will show you. So I'm gonna go through my drawers now and take out some things that I either don't want or that are just for winter. This is my sock drawer. You can't really see inside. Here, maybe I can just show you real quick. There we go. So that's kind of what I'm going through. So that's that drawer. And then over here is kind of like my undies and bras and stuff like that. I don't need to do anything with that drawer. Yeah, that's all staying. And then here, as you can see, this is my pajama drawer. These, though, I can right off the bat tell you I am getting rid of. I do really like these, but they are lightweight, which is why I have them for the summer. I've worn them so much that I put a hole in them, and it's not a super easy hole to fix, so I'm just going to let it go, which is really sad because I really liked these, but I'm going to get rid of those. And these. Okay, so these are definitely winter, and these are really nice and warm, but I've had these for a really long time, and they're really just not my favorite. And I have so many, and I just don't wear everything. Usually just wear the same ones over and over, and this is at the bottom and I haven't reached for this once. So I think I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm gonna get rid of those. This is the bottom drawer. I already got rid of one hoodie, which was in my closet, which you guys saw. And then I have a bunch of hoodies in here. So I have this one from Aeropostale, and it's okay, but it shrinks all the time. It's shrunk so many times, and I think it's just time to let this one go. Yeah, that's a tough one, but I'm gonna let that one go. I let go of the other one. I think I'm gonna keep the rest of them in here. This is the first under the bed storage that I have to go through. I think I have about 3 of the spring stuff. So I'm just gonna go through this real quick, take it all out, and just kind of categorize it and see if there's anything that I know right off the bat I want to get rid of or not. So let's go through it. I am on to the second one now, second under the bed storage. So we are gonna go through this. This again is all of my summer stuff. Not all of it, but some of my summer stuff. So I'm gonna take it out, put it into the piles that I have already created from the other one. Here is the third and last that I currently have anyway, under the bed storage bag. So this will be the last of all of my summer stuff. Now let me show you my massive mound of a pile over here. Okay, so it is the next day, and I'm going to be doing some laundry to kind of just get the rest of my fall and winter clothes out, so that I can go through them and put them away. I will show you kind of where I'm at with that right now, and then we will tackle the big pile of summer clothes. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to divvy them out into like what they are, and then just maybe go through them at the same time or afterwards of what I want to keep and what I don't. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to do some organizing of what is what. And if there's anything that I feel like I might want to try on or maybe declutter and get rid of, I will set that aside as well. I have everything in piles, and I'll quickly show you, and then I think I'm gonna go through each pile off camera and go through them and see if there's anything that I know right away that I want to get rid of or not. So first, let me show you the piles. Okay, so this is my cardigan, jacket kind of pile, my bathing suit pile, pajama pile. Over here are my shorts. I have a few pants, scarves. I have my skirts, bralette kind of things, socks, dresses, and this pile over here is my tops. Here is my little itty bitty pile of my spring and summer stuff that I am getting rid of, decluttering from everything that were in those 3 under the bed storage things. And I'm missing a few pieces from this pile because I'm washing them, but yeah, so not a whole lot, but still more than I thought. I really didn't think I was going to declutter anything, really. I'll give you a quick overview after going through and decluttering some things and putting away the rest of my clothes. So these are all my clothes, kind of color coordinated. This is what is left. And then over here I've got my shoes and pants and stuff that I kept. And then up top are the purses. I didn't touch those. And then I also have some hoodies and things up here. There are a couple of things that I wanted to get rid of additionally that I didn't show. So this is kind of my second time going in and seeing if I want to declutter anything. And there are just a couple of items that I want to go back and declutter. One of the items that I want to go back and declutter is this lilac sweater. I actually think it's really pretty and it's really warm and comfy, but just the way it hits me, yeah, it's just not very flattering in the lower half. So I'm going to be passing this on. And then let's see, I think there was this. Alright, so I am also going to be passing on, it's kind of a weird length for me. It's not quite tunic length where I can wear it with leggings very well, but it's also not short enough to wear with jeans and stuff like that. So this is kind of a weird length on me, so I am going to be passing this one on. And then coming back through, I've got 2 things here. So first up is this actually really nice wool sweater, and it's actually more of like an oatmeal color. For some reason it looks a little bit grayer in the camera, but as you can see, it shrunk. Like, that's short. It was definitely longer, but it shrunk because it got put in the dryer on accident. So I can no longer wear it as it's intended, and I'm not so sure I want to rock that kind of crop style. I don't know. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to pass this on. I am pretty sad about that. And then I have this, which is basically the same color. It might be a little more beige. And it is a little bit short. Not as short as the sweater I just showed you, though. And I just don't find that it's very flattering again. I don't know. So I'm going to be getting rid of this one as well. And I think that's it for the additional items I am getting rid of. But I just thought that I would show you those few things real quick and kind of give you an overview of how everything looks afterwards. Alright, so it is another day, and I just wanted to end this and say that is all for my clothing declutter, and I will be also showing you in a different video coming up how everything looks when I am putting away all of my spring and summer clothes, and show you all of that put together. So stay tuned, look out for that video where I show everything put together. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye.